we are here, guys. So amazing. Oh my god. Hello. Okay. And thank you. And this is ginger?
Ginger or pineapple?
Ginger and vinegar. And vinegar. That's good. This is gorgeous, Rashida. Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, thank you. So we are officially in. Before I could get my first review, I needed to go ahead and get some nice, awesome shots. I am now in this fabulous hotel. It's gorgeous in here, guys. This bed, I just want to jump and lay on it. But since I went ATV riding earlier, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna try to hurry up and see the pool before the nighttime because I really want to see how it looks. So I have so much mosquito bites all over my legs. Yikes, it itches. So this is the balcony back here, as you guys can see. Welcome to my crib. Welcome to my crib. I was greeted so well downstairs. Everybody's amazing. Everyone's really nice. They're also calm and warming, and they ask you what you need. Very accommodating, and that's really important for me when I'm looking for a hotel. This is the bathroom. The window. Pull the shade up, pull the shade down, up, down. You have options. Okay, so over here you have the shower and the shower head. So it's a mixture. This whole thing in here is so big, and it's a mixture of having the bathtub mixed with the shower. So kind of whatever you want to do. Sorry if you just got dizzy. You're now in the sink area. You can see all this awesome Renaissance paraphernalia. And me, don't ask me what's happening with my clothes. My pants ripped as I was on the ATVs, and that's why I look a little classy and ratchet. Next, when you come over here, this is my mirror. Isn't this so cute? To get the ice in here. So when you come over here, the toilet, and below you have, you know, your essentials. Oh, kind of heavy. You have your fridge. When you come over here, you have your glasses, your wine glasses, and everything. They want you to drink in class. Next, when you come over here, you have. So this is my closet tour. This is the robes that they give you. They give you slippers. Yes, honey. Whoop and whoop right here. You know, the safe is always important to have a safe because, girl, your passports, your money, your life, you need to stack it away. Station. Oh, and there's two TVs. The TV here and the TV there. So I can literally watch Lifetime on both and get a vision of both, okay? I can see Sarah's left side and Sarah's right side of her face. Next, you open this. Once I figure out, chair, guys, is like the icing on the cake. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking you guys around with me as I'm here at the hotel. Oh wait, hold on, look, look at the stools. There's so, the stools. Take you guys with me around the Renaissance. So you, yeah, I will see you guys at the pool. Only got 5 minutes in there because the pool's closing like in 3 minutes. The music is really cool and edgy. Yeah. Ooh.
Are you a YouTuber?
Thank you. Look at your burger. Are you gonna eat or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm eating the grilled cheese. The grilled cheese with all cheeses and shrimp. I asked the chef to add some shrimp in there because your girl's hungry. Okay, so these are my fries. The fries are really good. Good. How's your food, Rashida?
It's good. Her morning skill, he'll be mocking me. It's really good.
Hey guys, we woke up a long time ago. It's like 7:19 a.m. I woke up at around 6 to start getting ready. Pretty much, why am I so red? Well, I woke up to go ahead and film my drone. Wow. Charge my drone and get a time lapse for the scene you just seen before this clip. And do my hair, because honey child, I woke up with a little afro and I was drying in freaking buckwheats. So today we're doing the braided pony. You can see, and this is the outfit we're doing. So this cute little top and the panties come with it, and these shorts. Booty cutters, butty riders. And then we're gonna go ahead and get breakfast. We wanna get a lot done today. We were supposed to do so much, but we're thinking about just staying at the hotel because it's so gorgeous here and there's a lot of things here. And we wanna kind of experience that. You ready? And then I really wanna fly this drone. So I wanna get that out the way because, you know, a drone battery only lasts like 20 minutes. Everyone.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. Room number? 4517. So this is the honeydew drink. It's very healthy. Coconut water. You just can't ever go wrong with coconut water. Good morning. Hello. Alright, I'm trying to go in this water without wetting my hair. The sun's better this way, so I'm gonna stand this way. You know, I do got a little big head, but it's a little cute little peanut head. I wanna sit in the egg. Take a picture. Can you sit in the egg with me?
Yeah, can we do that?
Let's sit in the egg. Let's sit in the egg. This spa makes me wanna talk like this. Oh boy.
Fries are so good. And it's called a cap. Oh.
Guys, my freaking wing to my drone broke. Oh God. First of all, the drone didn't want to fly. It said calibrating. And I think it was because it was too much metal. Oh God. I have an extra of 2. I have 3 more extra wings. You showering again?
Huh?
You showering again?
No, I just want to read thing. Which one is it?
She showers like,
Yours is shut the hell up.
like 10 times a day. I'm hungry though. We're at Crucifix right now. That's the beach club. It's happy hour right now, so it's buy 1 get 1 free. So cute, so homey, so close. Don't go twisting my wheels at Where's the fish? And they cleaned up the place. I did my hair over. I like the ponytail's a little bit more, like the low ponytail's a little bit more sleeker than ever. Gosh, the liquor's showing.
Don't feel like a fucking shit.
Hello. She said she just want to be fat and pee. She didn't want to be on the camera, so. So pretty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a water for now.
Still water starting.
Still.
Still. The big bottle to be shared.
This is the cutest backdrop right here. I'm gonna come here in the morning and do a video for you guys. Yes. Makes you wanna be fierce like this. What are you doing? Go ahead, Rashida. Bring it down. Bring it down. Thank you.
You know, egg. And well done, yeah?
Yes, please.
Anything
What
else?
is this you
Or
and
do you
egg?
have any special?
Digest it. Stop saying egg. I cannot digest it, so it will come up. If I drink regular milk, it will go through the toilet. What is wrong with you, weirdo? You're fucking weird.
This one for you, Jibaran beef sandwich.
That looks good. Is this fish?
Yeah, fish.
That looks really good. Do you have any, thank you, any barbecue sauce?
Barbecue sauce. I will check first, yeah?
Thank you. The food is very hot.
So, I mean, it's a fish sandwich, so.
I don't eat tomatoes. Ooh, this looks, oh, can I just bring this back to America with me? Seriously? Check it back on.
What song is that?
Good morning. Okay. It is 6:51 a.m. Wednesday, March 27th. Oh God, this lighting is like, I just can't even freaking deal. Lighting is so great. We're leaving today at 4 p.m. Right now, I'm filming a time lapse. Filming my time lapse. The rose bath was amazeballs yesterday. It was so warm and nice. It smelled good. But I'm packed, guys. I am packed. The rooster fish was really fun. It was really nice. Instagram versus this is how the pictures get done. All right. Okay. Make me cute. No, big body. But don't get the. I'm gonna get one of the only bed. Talk too much. Damn. Last day. We're so sad. Wish we could stay here forever.
This is the first vacation that I did not want to leave early.
Yeah, kind of wanted to stay here. My dress is long as hell, but I really want to picture by like the little chairs. Guys, they have a whole pottery station right here. Look how cute this is. Look at this. Oh my God, I'm so mad I missed this class yesterday. This is so cool. Pastry bar, get your waffles and pancakes made here. What the crap? We're getting our last bit of pictures by the pool.
Your water. I mean, your coconut.
I know. I'm not leaving, and you can't make me. You can't. Yeah, we didn't want to go home. Actually, I could live at the Renaissance for the rest of my life. Oh, there's a swing downstairs. I'm gonna go check it out. You can make your own scarves, by the way, guys. So much activities here for you. Driver inside.